How to transfer ownership of Facebook page. First of all, open your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this horizontal line at the top right corner. Right here, move into Professional Dashboard. Scroll down and inside Tools, you'll get to see the option of Page Access. Tap on it. It will show you the profile of the person that has access to the Facebook page. In order to transfer the ownership, all you gotta do is tap on Add New. Tap on Next. In the search bar, search for the name or the email address that you want to transfer the ownership. Once you have chosen the person, enable this option and tap on Give Access. For the confirmation, enter the password of your Facebook account. Once you have entered the password, tap on Confirm. The invitation of the ownership has been successfully sent to that person. Now all you gotta do is wait for that person to accept the invitation, and then the ownership will be transferred successfully. So this was for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to transfer ownership of Facebook page. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.